Why are you looking like that? It's me only. I came to take out the clothes outside of the house. But it is very uncomfortable to me. Do you know why? Look there. Someone is staring at me outside of my house intentionally. He's looking at me. I have turned this side to attend my work, but still he is looking at me. If someone looks at me continuously, is it right or wrong? Now, what should I do? No one should look at me intentionally. If looked, it's wrong. Okay? Immediately, I go away from here. I go inside of the house and close the door. It's right. Did you see what happened now? What happened? Someone was looking at me continuously, yes or no? Then what to do? If someone looks at us continuously, we should go away from there. Then, being a girl, what did I do? When he was looking at me continuously, I went away from there or not? So, what should I say now? If someone looks at me continuously, I should go away from there. Okay? Look, what am I doing now? Outside of my house, an auto driver is waiting on the road. I know this auto driver. I have sat in his auto to go out. It is not comfortable to me. The auto driver is looking at me differently. Without even starting the auto, see, why is he doing like this? If he looks at me differently and makes me discomfort, is it right or wrong? What should I do? No one should look at me differently and make me discomfort. If looked, it's wrong. Okay? Immediately I get down from the auto and go away. It's right. Oh, how uncomfortable it is. He is looking like that, yes or no? If someone looks at us differently like that, what should we do? We should go away from there. Yes or no? Now tell me, what should we do? If someone looks at us differently and makes us uneasy, we should go away from there. Now shall we say this together? If someone looks at me differently and makes me discomfort, I should go away from there. Alright? Oh, this auto driver is not allowing me to go. He is trying to stop me. I have told him that looking like that is wrong. And I have left the place. But he is shouting and scolding me. He is saying something bad about me. He is also talking about my body. My body, my right. Now, what should I do? If someone talks or points out about my body, it's wrong. Okay? Immediately, I go away from there. What I did is right. So far, what did we learn? My body, my right means this body is mine and no one should touch my body. If it is so, can anyone talk something bad about my body? No, they should not. Then also it is wrong. If anyone talks like that, what should we do? We should go away from that place. Okay? Did we see what happened now? He was talking bad about my body or not? If someone talks or points out about me and my body, I should go away from there. Okay? You have seen that a person was staring at me continuously outside my house. The auto driver was looking at me differently and he was also talking bad about my body. I should inform all this to my mummy or to my teacher. If someone talks bad about me and my body or behaves wrongly, I must inform to my mummy and to my teacher. You will inform, right? Teacher, please wait a moment, teacher. I want to talk to you.
What happened?
Do you know what happened, teacher? Today, when I was taking out clothes in my house, someone came and looking at me continuously. I was scared so much.
Then what did you do?
With scare, I did not know what to do. Just went into the house, teacher.
You did a good job.
One more thing happened, teacher. I sat in an auto to go out. The auto driver was known to me, but he was looking something differently without starting the auto. I did not know what to do, teacher.
What did you do then?
I immediately got down from his auto and went away, but he followed me without leaving. Said something, teacher. I don't know what he was saying, something continuously about me. I felt it wrong. Went away from him and went inside, teacher.
If someone looks at us wrongly, simply we should go away from there, my dear, okay? Very good. You did a great job. If such thing happens, you told your teacher right. Well done. Very
Thank
good,
you,
very
teacher.
Good, very good, very good, very good.
Hello, hi. Till now, we spoke about many things. We had many friendly talks, right? We have visited so many places, yes or no? Let's talk once again. What we learned so far? First and foremost thing we learned is my body, my right. This body is mine. No one should touch my body. If touched, it's wrong. Okay? But who can touch our body? Our mother means mummy can touch and doctor can touch. It's not wrong. Alright? If someone tries to come near to us, what should we do? Like this, stretch your hand. No, we should shout loudly, okay? Afterwards, if someone offers us gifts or dresses or money, no, we should not accept and say, I don't want gifts, don't touch me. Someone crosses our hand stretch distance, what should we do? Help, help, shout loudly, and we should take the help of the people nearby, right? Still, if someone talks bad about us and our body or behaves wrongly, we must inform to our parents and teachers. And immediately we should go away from there. Okay? Hope you follow all these. Good children. Bye.